I want to show you on how to create Lollipop charts on Power BI and Tableau. Now, if you can look at the visualization, you can see that there is no Lollipop charts on the visualization. And if you also come to show me on Tableau, you will also see that there is no Lollipop charts created here. Okay, I will show you on how to create both charts on Power BI and Tableau, and you will see the limit in which we can create that. I have created one of that in Tableau. I'm going to show you on how to create this both on Power BI and also on Tableau. So look at the one I've also done on Tableau, on Power BI also. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to the sheet 2 on Tableau. This is the head-to-head comparison of how to create this. Okay, we pick up the category and the measure we are going to use for this. Now you can make use of any measure and categories within your end. I'm just going to make use of this because of the purpose of the course. So we be taking dates into the field. Okay, before I do that, I'm picking up this. You can either use the line stack column chart, or you use the line cluster column chart. Anyone you want to make use of, you can choose any one among them. So I'm going to use the first one here, and on Tableau, just going to pick the category and drop it there. So I'm picking up the dates from the dates, and also change days to just months. I just want to see the months, and also I'm bringing the dates to the y-axis here, and I only want to see the months here. Okay, that's fine. Let me drag this completely and drag the measure to the y-axis, and also drag the measure to the line y-axis. Now I have the line presented there. Also, I'm going to do the same thing on Tableau. I drag the cells, which is the measure, and also drag the cells down there. Now I have two measure out here, and I also have the two measure line and line. Now if you look at Tableau, it automatically gave me lines on Tableau. So I'm going to expand this, and I'll show you. First of all, I'm going to show you on how to create this on Power BI, and how to next I move to the Tableau. Then I will also tell you the limit in which you can use it on Power BI and also on Tableau. So I will move further to show you this. Okay, our first step is that on Power BI, I'm going to go to format. Then I will like to off this title here. Okay, and also of the title on the y-axis also. Okay, that's fine. And okay, let me make this, increase this to like 15 so that we can see this properly. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's work on the circle. Now for you to work on the circle, we turn on the marker. If you can see, a dot has appeared on each of the bars. So we drill down to increase the size. So the limit in which you can increase the size of this circle is 20. That is the given limit on the Power BI. So you can either choose to use any of this shape as your lolly or as a pop. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to go to the line and come down here and change, make it 0. So the line is completely off. We're getting there. So next we'll be working on the column bars. So I'll come down to here, change it to the spacing, come down to spacing, drag it completely. Then we have our lollipop on Power BI completely. Now I'll be moving down to Tableau and see how we can create this on Tableau easily and fine. But I promise you, Tableau is going to work better than that of Power BI in creating a lollipop. Let's go there. Okay, here is Tableau. I'm going to change each all to bar first, and I move down to one of the column, change it to circle. Okay, and now have the circle here. So I go back to the column. If you can see, we have two charts showing here. So I will pick up one and make it dual axis. Then the two have been joined together. I will take off this, okay, and make this entire view. Okay, now I'm not seeing the pop. I'm not seeing the pop. So I can just change the direction of the pop. Okay, I will change the pop down here to orange. Okay, that's still behind. Okay, can bring this out. So the next thing here is that I want to reduce the size. Now if you can see on Power BI, there's a limit in which you can reduce the size of the bar, and likewise you can increase the size of the pop. So I'm going to reduce this, but on Tableau you can actually increase it to any extent on Tableau. So I have the pop here. We have actually have our bar reduced, and also I want to increase the size of the pop. So look at how it has increased, but on Power BI we are unable to increase it to the maximum level in which we want. So I will go ahead and show you some other things you could not perform on Power BI. So this pop, I want to see the label. I want to add label to the pop. I can come down and bring in the measure into the pop where we have the circle on the mark. So we go on to drill down, come to alignment, take it to the middle. That has been set to the middle. Now this is fine, but as you can see, there is overlapping the or touching the line outside. I can still go ahead, since I'm having a lot of them in thousands, so I can still go ahead and format down here, come down to numbers and make this in case. So here I have a lot of them in case, or I can keep them in million, which is the best to use because we also have values in millions. Okay, I can still go ahead and make this bold and more legible, increase the size. So this is fine. Now this is what you cannot do in Power BI, like adding the label to it. Not that you can add the label, but it will not fit inside the way it is shown inside the lollipop. I believe you understand this. So if you like what I've done, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you a lot of comparison on how to use these two on both Tableau and Power BI and see the similarity between both of them and perform same functions or same visualization on both.